My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2014 Honda Civic. This vehicle has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.